What do I think of my director? What do I think of my director? Well,
we have a new director this year, and he's very enthusiastic.
I don't know if I'm feeling all right about it, but everyone else seems to feel really dancy.
My relationship with my director, well,
he's great.
Oh, well, listen, I mean, a lot of the songs are very ancient and old, so we got this guy who came in and he got a lot of electrical kind of things, and he sort of threw those under there, and so it sounded a little more like...
He's making the best of what we've got.
Oh my gosh, he's so spirited, very spirited. What else could you ask for? He may not know as much. It takes him a bit to get the facts down, because I am an open book of facts. And when something's even a little bit off, like I won't hesitate to tell him. He's about 30 years under me, so like, I'll tell him, but he takes good direction. He takes good direction from me, and I take good direction from him. Oh.
well, hell, I just do whatever he tells me to do. Ain't that what you're supposed to do?
They made a movie about it, Pasolina, our home.